Today what I'm going to do is a chicken braised in a clay pot, terracotta. But anyways, subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. I have other videos for you to check out. Along with that, check out my website, chefrandallwhite.com. There's also great recipes available there. Today what I'm going to do here is roast chicken in a terracotta pot. First thing you want to do is soak your terracotta pot in water for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Then we're going to place some mirepoix, which is carrots, celery, and onions, along with fresh fennel and some whole garlic with some rosemary. And then there's fresh bay leaves also. Then I'm not going to truss this chicken. I'm going to just set it right on top of that to get it up off the bottom, top with some rosemary and some olive oil. Then I'm going to season this with some salt, pepper, garlic salt, and some onion salt. Now to the pot, I'm going to add some white wine, some Chardonnay, and plenty of it. That way it's going to have plenty of liquids for braising. Now I'm going to check my earth oven and make sure it's good and hot. I'm looking for it to be about 350, 400 degrees. And what I'm going to do is place this chicken here, as you see. I'm just going to be in there, though, about 1.5 hours to 2 hours for that to be able to braise up nice and just the way that we want it. Ooh, look at this thing. It's got a nice little smoke to it. And I'm going to go ahead and pull it out here. You know, this can get very extremely hot, so you got to be really careful doing this. As you can see, I'm really taking my time. Want to get this out of here. And it's got a nice little crust on top. My earth oven doesn't look the same, but that's okay, because that's what I got this thing for. Ow! Look at this. This chicken's ready to go. Got a nice crust. Listen, got crust on it. All the juices down here on the bottom. Look at my fresh bay leaves. We're going to let this thing set up here and relax and rest for about 30 minutes. Then I'm going to cut into it. And then I'm going to throw some bread in the oven. We're going to have a feast. We'll be right back. Well, that had a nice little crust on top, but believe me, this was nothing but juicy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.